Let's start with positional parameters. Let's create a function that returns a integer type, and let's call the function add. This function will add two numbers together and return the result. Now we're gonna make the function accept certain parameters in a certain order. The first one, let's say that will be of type integer, and we'll call it a. And the second one, let's say that will also be of type integer and will be called b. And the function will return a plus b. Inside the main function, let's create some variables. Let's create a variable called number1 and make it equal to a random value. And let's create another variable named number2 and also make it equal to a random value. And now let's create another variable of type integer to hold the result of our computation, and let's make it equal to the result of the add function. We're gonna call the function as we have done previously, but this time we have to pass some arguments. All we have to do is pass some values separated by a comma. And then let's print the result. And there we go, there's our result. As projects grow more and more complex, it gets harder to track which position belongs to which argument. In order to be able to deal with more complex projects, I highly recommend that you use what's called name parameters. In order to make this function accept name parameters instead of positional parameters, we have to add curly braces at the keyword required to make sure that the values are null. When calling the function, all we have to do is write the name of the parameter, which in this case, the first one would be a, put a colon, and then type the value. And we can run the function now. And as you can see, we get the exact same result.